You ever have one of those projects that you've been putting it off and putting it off for so long that it's like years later and you still haven't gotten it done? These steps are one of those projects. So today, that's what I'm doing. I am finishing up the other set of steps that I meant to do 4 years ago today. Let's make something cool. So if you've been with the channel for any amount of time, you know that about 4 years ago, I made these concrete steps. Well, I had always planned on making a second set of these steps on the other side of this porch. Well, to match, and because, well, these steps are very ugly. So I'm getting in the shed right now and get this project off the list, check that box off, so I can get on with my life. Well, the molds, they're all ready to go, so let's just go ahead and pour them. If you want to see how I built these and get the plans and dimensions, the plans and dimensions will be in the description below, and I will have a link, well, right here, for the video on how to build these molds. So let's just get into it. Gonna be using the Quikrete 5000 today, but also in tandem with the Rapid Set Flow Control to give it more flowability. Flow control. By the way, I'm also going to give you a link to this really cool ergonomic bucket handle. As you can see, it gives me a better way to grab my bucket. I can shake my bucket, I can pour my bucket, but I can also put my foot down on this footrest to hold the bucket in place. And if you use this code right here, you're going to get 40% off. Alright, I'm going to mix and repeat. I'll tell you what.
I tell you what. Tell you what. I'm gonna tell you a few things.
And also tell you.
Tell you what.
Tell you what.
Let me tell you something else.
Hey, son, I'll tell you what, man.
Tell you what. Tell you what it is.
If you're gonna mix Quikrete in a bucket like this, I'm so used to mixing Rapid Set in a bucket. It's so easy with Rapid Set. If you're gonna do a Quikrete or a Portland-based cement, make sure to just mix it in a wheelbarrow. Be much easier. But if you're gonna do it with a bucket, make sure you put a third of the bag in there, a third of the water, mix it, a second third of the product, a second third of the water, mix it, and so on and so forth until you're done. Much easier to mix that way. And you won't burn out your drill. Metal reinforcement. It's my favorite part about this handle. And not that it's necessary because this is going to be the bottom, but a little bit of finish work with the steel trowel. Just because I like doing it. And that's it. no round over work today because the mold is going to do all the work for us. Since this is a Portland-based cement, I'm going to give this at least 3 days to cure before I take it out of the mold. So, see you in 3 days. If you watch the original video, it is painfully obvious that I used way too much water in the original pour. I was just not used to mixing Quikrete in a bucket, so I put way too much water in there to be able to mix it with a paddle in a bucket. This is the way it's supposed to look. Alright, it's been 3 days. Let's go ahead and demold this thing. Best part. Why does concrete have to be so heavy? And why do I never ask for help? Well, that's it. 4 years later, I finally have a matching set. I still gotta seal it, but who knows, maybe in another 4 years I'll finally get that done. But seriously, today, make a plan for it. Just pick that one project that you have been putting off for years and just do it. At least start it. And I swear to God, it'll get done from there, I swear. Let me know down in the comments what project you've been waiting on to go ahead and start itself. But anyway, be kind, be present, and do your part.